Mr. Powell, I received your question about this problem. I think you understood the first part is the factoring is what was giving you trouble. The cost for manufacturing X units is given by this equation. Find the number of units you can manufacture for $77,260. So you're supposed to put that in for C and solve it. And it appears from your email that you understood that part. So I'm putting in 7,200 here, 7,260 for C. Now I'll subtract that from each side and I end up with a quadratic equation here. So I have 0 equal x squared plus 10x minus 7,200. And so how do you complete this seems to be your question. I mean, there's different options available. This section, they probably want you to factor this. You'll learn some other techniques a little bit later. And so I guess you're looking at it and you're thinking, how do I factor with 72 minus 7,200? Well, when I look at minus 7,200, I got to start thinking about what do you multiply to get negative 7,200. Well, one choice that comes to mind is like negative 72 and 100. That's the first one that actually jumps into my mind. 7,200, break it up in 72 and 100. Well, we need one where the sum's 10, and if you add negative 72 to 100, the sum's 28. So it's kind of close, but it's no cigar. And I noticed 72, and so I start thinking about factors of 72. Well, I know 9 times 8 is 72, so I guess I think of minus 80 and 90. That product would be negative 7,200. A and a sum is 10. And so I know these numbers are kind of big, but that's it. So it'd be minus 80 and plus 90. And you set the factors equal to 0. And so I get an 80, or set the other factor equal to 0. Here you don't subtract 90, I get a negative 90. I guess you want to, throw that one back. We're looking to how many we got to manufacture, and we're looking for a positive answer. I guess 80 units is the answer. Hope this helps.